What do I hear? Is it something far or near? It's a woodpecker on a tree, tapping fast and wild and free. Boom, 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 what shakes the floor? Is it a dinosaur at the door? Nope, it's Daddy's big old drum, thumping loud with every strum. Hiss, 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 what could it be? A snake behind the apple tree, or just the wind through blades of grass, whistling softly as we pass. So many sounds from all around. Let's guess again when we hear a sound. So many sounds from all around. Let's guess again when we hear a